here that I've added the Dyer's Coreopsis to this Tupperware container with water in it. Dyer's Coreopsis is a great dye to use dried because it gives really consistent colors whether you use the flowers fresh or dry. So it's pretty ideal to save for some wintertime dye experiments. Yeah, we're gonna let this sit in the greenhouse. Hopefully the water will start changing. It's kind of changing already a little bit, but hopefully it'll get a little bit darker than this, and then we will just add our yarn in, leave the flowers in there as well, and just let it sit for a couple days. And the power of the sun should be enough to dye our yarn. I put it in a plastic container because I was worried that it would freeze overnight and break the glass if I put it in a glass container. So we're using plastic. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so now we're gonna add the yarn. Okay, so I left the yarn over the weekend. It froze in the dye bath. So I'm just gonna let it sit. The yarn is definitely taking on some color. I'm gonna come back on a sunny day and see if I can get it free from this situation. Okay, so here we are. This yarn has been sitting in this dye bath for a little over a week because it's been frozen inside the dye. This is the first day it's been warm enough to extract it. Look at that color. Okay, so I'm going to let this yarn kind of hang and dry. I haven't rinsed it yet, but I'm just going to kind of let it dry and kind of cure. You can see it's a little bit lighter in the spots where it was kind of frozen and sticking out of the ice a little bit. Didn't absorb as much dye. But I think it's going to look really cool